China recently announced an investment of more than 40 billion euros to strengthen its semiconductor sector. These electronic components are essential for a wide range of applications, from smartphones and autonomous cars to supercomputers and network objects. The technological rivalry between China and the United States is intensifying, and semiconductors are at the heart of its competition. Washington has blacklisted certain Chinese companies, denying them to access American technology. In response, China is trying to speed up the upgrading of these semiconductors, which still lag behind those products in the United States. The Chinese Ministry of Finance, state-owned banks, and several companies have injected 344 billion yuan into the national fund dedicated to semiconductors. The aim is to strengthen China's technological autonomy and reduce its dependence on American chips. The production of chips is complex and involves many countries. The United States, the Netherlands, and Japan have a virtual monopoly on the production of the lithography machines needed to miniaturize chips. This gives them considerable influence over global semiconductor production. These massive investments demonstrate China's efforts to strengthen its position in the semiconductor industry and reduce its dependence on foreign technology. It remains to be seen how this initiative will affect the global semiconductor industry in the coming years.